Hello, my name is Beanish Kayum, and for my final project, I will be creating a WUSTL class schedule optimizer. It was Wednesday. I hated Wednesdays. Not only were Wednesdays long, but there was a span of 7 minutes. Just 7 minutes every Wednesday. That seemed like a monstrous challenge. After classes all morning, how was I expected to make the long, strenuous journey from Steinberg all the way to Siegel Hall? In 7 minutes with a backpack full of textbooks, no less. That Wednesday dread that I used to have for an entire semester is what has inspired my optimization project. My proposal has two parts. The first is a class schedule optimizer for Washington University students. When registering for classes every semester, there is always that dilemma of figuring out the ideal combination of classes that will not only make that half of the year enjoyable, but also work with the activities that you want to pursue outside of the classroom. The biggest challenge comes across when you're faced with what comes on the next slide. General Chemistry Lab 1. WebStack throws you the curveball of picking one of the 10 options for lab section. The optimizer will require a user to input the courses they would like to take and time slots they would like free for extracurricular activities. From there, the program will pull data from WebStack and pick out the class sections that work the best together and still allow for extracurriculars, creating the optimum schedule. The second part of my proposal makes the first part physically optimal for the student. My dreaded Wednesdays involved carrying a backpack full of notebooks, textbooks, and a laptop the long distance from Steinberg to Siegel Hall. The second part of my class schedule optimizer will estimate the required materials for each type of course and balance backpack load against the distance between classrooms. If the courses have a low backpack load, the optimizer will allow for larger distances between class locations. But if the backpack load is heavier, the program will attempt to minimize the distance. These two optimizers will make college, the busiest and most exciting years of a student's career, more enjoyable and the daunting task of registration more straightforward. Hopefully, the dreaded Wednesday will be conquered.